Q4 Plus is a selective post-emergent herbicide that combines 4 active ingredients, including 2,4-D, Dicamba, Quinclorac, and Sulfentrazone, to control a variety of troublesome weeds. Q4 Plus can be used to control crabgrass, clover, yellow nutsedge, chickweed, and more. It can be used in bluegrass, ryegrass, tall fescue, Bermuda grass, and zoysia turfs. With its water-based formulation, this broadleaf and grassy weed killer can be applied in warmer temperatures under 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's rain-fast after 6 hours. Q4 Plus can be used to treat spots around your properties, or as a broadcast spray up to twice a year if the area to be treated is larger and needs total coverage. To spot treat across 1,000 square feet of Bermuda grass or zoysia grass turf, mix 1.8 ounces of Q4 Plus concentrate with 1 gallon of water in a portable sprayer. Close the lid and agitate the tank to mix the product and water. Open the lid, add the remainder of the needed water, and seal the sprayer tank again to prepare for spraying. To spot treat cool season turfs like bluegrasses or fescues, apply in the same manner but mix 2.6 ounces of Q4 Plus with the same amount of water. Calibrate your sprayer before applying and spray the herbicide mixture uniformly and completely across the lawn area, as over-application can result in turfgrass injury. Apply this product during the target weed's earlier, active growth stages for the best results. Summer broadcast applications to older, more stressed weeds are less effective. Fall applications will provide greater control over emerged winter weeds, including clover, henbit, chickweed, and ground ivy. Temporary yellowing of certain types of turf grass, including Bermuda grass, fine fescues, and zoysia grass, may occur following an application. Apply Q4 Plus to lawns that are free from stressors and growing healthily for the best tolerance against temporary turf damage. For best results, irrigate 24 hours before and 24 hours after applying with ½ inch of water, and apply in the morning hours. Using a nitrogen fertilizer with chelated iron may also reduce some of the discoloration. Be sure to read the Q4 Plus label to determine mixing rates, and if the herbicide can safely be used on your grass type and locale. Extreme conditions including high humidity and temperature are not recommended for Q4 Plus application. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.